Meaning of etymology.
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 Etymology. Etymology is the study of the origin and history of words, including how their meanings and forms have evolved over time. It involves analyzing the roots, prefixes, and suffixes of words to uncover their linguistic history and connections to other languages. This field of study provides insight into the development of language, as well as cultural and historical influences on language use. By understanding etymology, we can better understand the nuances and subtle meanings behind words in our own language and appreciate the richness and complexity of language as a whole.